It's raining again today. I like the sound of rain, but I feel a little lonely.
The house feels too quiet. Too quiet. I miss Grandma. She always makes me smile. Grandma's house is always warm and smells like cookies. Maybe I should visit her today. Yes, I will go. I need my yellow umbrella. It's going to rain more. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Wow, the rain is stronger outside. But it looks beautiful. Everything is shiny. I hear the rain. Tap, tap, tap. I'm walking slowly, step by step. I'm walking slowly, step by step. Oh! The bakery smells so nice. Fresh bread. Grandma loves this place. I want to see Grandma first. Then I will come back. The street is very quiet today. Only rain and footsteps. I feel calm now. The rain makes me think. Oh! Grandma's street is here! I can see her house. The lights are on. It feels warm already. Just looking at it. Maybe Grandma's making tea. Or baking cookies.
Okay. Deep breath.
Knock, knock. Grandma?
Emma! My dear, come inside!
Grandma! I missed you so much!
You must be freezing. Come in quickly.
Wow. It's so warm inside. And it smells amazing. Cookies? Wow, Grandma!
Of course. I baked them this morning. Careful, they're still hot.
They look perfect. Can I try one?
Of course, dear. You can eat 3, maybe 4. so soft and sweet. Rainy days are special. They help us slow down.
I think you're right.
Today feels peaceful.
I don't feel lonely anymore.
I'm so glad, my dear.
I feel warm now.
You can always come here. Rain or sunshine,